Hi everybody, it's Martin from Branco Customs here, and I wanted to introduce to you my latest gentleman folding knife. This one features a grade 5 titanium handle and an N690 cobalt steel blade and back spring. This one is also a slip joint knife featuring just slightly less than a 3-inch blade, so it should be legal carry for everyday use pretty much everywhere. To accompany the knife, I also created this wet formed leather sheath, which has got a nice spring clip on the back, so for easy adding it or removing it to or from your belt or pocket, it's all ready to go in a moment's notice. This knife was in fact created for my client Martin's 60th birthday gift, so in his honour we're going to call it the MT60.